In this project, we will see how we can connect our Firebase to our project. First we will connect the Android application like our Flutter project, but for Android. So you need to select Android here. Now you need to give package name build.gradle file. Let's copy this package name and paste it. Now you can keep any name for your Android. This will show on Firebase just so you can write any one, or it's an optional. So I will write Android invoice. And here is SHA key, which is optional. We will add it when we are going to publish it on Play Store, or we will implementing OTP functionality. This is optional, not required for this. You need to download this service.json file for Google. Let's keep in download folder. Then you need to next. Now we have some configuration. So you need to go in your build.gradle. It's project build.gradle. So it's a project, like you can see it's your Android project all, Android and Android build.gradle. That's the one. So in here you need to add plugin. Like you can add it on the top. Save this file, and the next change is in app project app build.gradle. Your project app or build.gradle. So here you want to add your plugin dot. There is two plugin. Let's see, I have you. Yeah, here is Android, Kotlin, and Flutter. Here is Android. So this one is new. You need to add this package. No, what's next? You have to also add this dependency at the end of this file, like here. So it's our app connected to our project. Just need to do one thing. You need to add your download file to in your project. So here is it. Let's change the name. You do not need to change, as I have already connected other pages, so it's right file name. So now my Firebase is connected to this app.